Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix an error which is PcaSvc.dll missing entry PCA wallpaper app detect in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to perform is you need to navigate to your button search bar, and here you need to type for task space scheduler. The moment you have typed it, a system called Task Scheduler will appear under the best match, where here you need to proceed on open to continue. The moment you have the bring it up here in our screen, you need to proceed to the first row where you can see an file folder which is named Task Scheduler Library. Now click this forward arrow to see more, and here you would be able to see three file folders which are Google System, Microsoft, and OEM. Proceed to the second, which is Microsoft. Click this forward arrow, and this time you need to look for Windows. Okay? Once you have selected it, click this forward arrow once again, and this time you'd be able to see a bunch of file folders. Now here you need to go with application experience. Okay. The moment you have the click on it, adjust the name first so that you can see of all of it clearly. And here you need to go with PCA Wallpaper App Detect. Now the reason why you get an error is because of this. That's why you need to delete such. How you can do that? Please do a right click here the moment you have selected it. Scroll down and go with delete. Okay? Once you have deleted such, you just have to restart your computer, and once you have restarted it, check if your problem has been fixed. I'm sure it will be fixed, okay? So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.